Hi, I'm in California and I'm unpacking my stuff. Room's a little messy, but I was opening up the boxes that I sent to California from Bayonne. Got a couple movies and stuff. This is all just junk. Computer speaker. I got my 2 fire alarms here. This is oops. There you go. There's one of them. My Simplex True Alert. Here's the internal workings. You gotta have a control panel to run that alarm. I didn't know that when I bought it. Bought it off of eBay. But if I can figure out how to get that one going, I'll hook that up one of these days. But then I got my Spectre Alert Advanced System Sensor right here. This one you don't need a control panel. This is awesome. I got this hooked up with just a voltage transformer. So I'm going to try to set this off right now. See if I can get this going. Pick it up. Pick it up with one hand here. Come over here. Now I got an outlet over here behind this bed. So I'm going to plug it into the outlet. See if it still works. Good. Worked last time I used it back in Bayonne. So my goodness. That's awesome. My P2R. Spectre Alert Advanced P2R. Awesome. You don't need a control panel for this one. That's cool. My Simplex True Alert, I need a control panel. Cool. Code 3. There we go. That was cool. Anyway, I'm still unpacking, but I'm in California now. So that was my Spectre Alert Advanced P2R. Spectre Alert Advanced P2R. Live from California. Thanks for watching. Bye. Spectre Alert Advanced P2R. Thanks for watching. Bye.